Hello, thank you for attending Ingram Micro One, and also thank you for your interest in learning more about Lenovo's services and software and how we can continue to grow together. We're very proud to be part of this amazing event. My name is John Stammer. I'm the Vice President and General Manager of the Americas Services and Software Organization at Lenovo. This organization is responsible to add value to both our customers and our partners, developing and delivering solutions that they both require. At Lenovo, we're very proud to call ourselves a channel-first company. 80% of our business goes through the channel. Last year alone, Ingram sold $840 million of Lenovo products and services. Our relationship with Ingram and of our community has been very strong. Our Ingram and of our community are a key reason for our success and will continue to play a key role and be a key reason for our future growth and enabling us to deliver what our customers require. Together, we've been able to successfully expand our services and software portfolio. We've seen an impressive 30% year-over-year growth on Lenovo services at Ingram. This year, we'll build on that strong momentum, building, developing, and delivering solutions to help our customers flourish in this environment that's transforming right before their eyes. It's on each of us, Lenovo, Ingram, and of our community, to find these solutions to help our customers embrace this new environment and to thrive in it. The challenges some of these customers face is significant. What I'd like to talk about now is to go through some of those specific examples of customers or verticals and the challenges that they face, and then go through some of the things in our portfolio, services and software that together we can bring to these customers and offer to help them overcome these challenges. The modern workplace has evolved, and customers require end-to-end solutions across the device, across services, across software. The first vertical that I'd like to discuss is education. This is a vertical that has faced significant challenges and is forced to transform right before our eyes. This is also a very sensitive area. Anytime you're talking about children and their education, it becomes very sensitive. It's impacting our educators, impacting our students, our kids, and it's impacting families, right? Many of these kids, the majority of them are still at home, and some are going back and forth between remote to on-site learning. So this is in a vertical that's in a tremendous amount of change. We need to create solutions to respond to these new needs of these schools. With the rapid shift to remote learning, it's created a significant number of challenges, including challenges around privacy, security, and even fleet management. Right? Many of these schools had to buy many machines quickly to get to the one device for every student ratio. Now that they've done that, where are these devices? Who has the devices? How are we going to get them back? Are they under control? Are they secure? Right? These are all the questions that these school districts now have to answer. We have many products in our portfolio to address these challenges, including Lenovo's LAN School Classroom software that creates an impactful one-to-one experience for both virtual and face-to-face education, promoting a collaborative learning experience and increasing student productivity. We have also partnered with BARC to ensure that a safer digital learning environment. BARC monitors and detects signs of digital dangers like cyberbullying, right? Like illicit content. Together, LAN School and BARC set virtual learners and educators up for success. But solutions don't just stop there for this vertical. There are many additional opportunities we have to help our customers overcome many other challenges they still have yet to face. Another challenge that's facing many companies is a rapid move to a remote workforce. This change is likely not to go away anytime soon. And when the pandemic is over and we start to bring people back into the office, of which 78% of IT leaders are saying they're 100% work from home at this time. But when we start bringing people back into the office, it's going to look different. We're not going to have the same capacity to bring everybody back. There's going to have to be some remote workers, some mix of that, with some companies going almost all remote. So it's definitely company by company, but it's going to look different than it has in the past. This creates challenges on how you support your end users. Many companies had large IT desk side service help desks where your employees aren't there. How do you service them? And on top of that, IT departments are consistently facing budgets that are contracting. There's pressure to reduce complexity, decrease operational costs, and find ways to increase efficiency from their IT support teams. Lenovo's Premier Support is a key part to overcome that challenge of the remote workforce. Premier Support manages support tasks, so in a sense, freeing the IT departments to focus on more strategic efforts and move more efforts to what the organization's core is. Premier has been rated number 1 by TBR and across all 22 attributes in North America. 91% of Premier Support customers say they would purchase Premier Support again. This is a differentiated experience you can offer your customers. Today, we have made it even easier for you to offer your Premier to your customers. We have 36 top seller models that are embedded with Premier. And even better yet, they're in stock at Ingram. But not only do customers face the challenge of this remote workforce and understanding how to better support them, this also brings up other challenges, right? The challenge is how do you address an increased need for endpoint security and cyber security? How do you manage cybersecurity threats? 60% of SMB customers go out of business within 6 months after a cybersecurity attack. I'm excited to share with you that Lenovo now has the most secure PC in the world right out of the box with Lenovo Security Assurance, which we also call LSA. LSA safeguards critical security applications through absolute self-healing, visibility, and resilience technology that's in the firmware, which means cyber criminals can't touch it. LSA gives customers remote visibility to device attributes and software and that are installed, and changes to it can also view usage by the end user. But most importantly, the LSA protects your endpoint security applications at all times. So if there's ever one of your endpoint security applications like your VPN, your patch, encryption, antivirus, any of your endpoint security applications, if they're compromised, if they're removed for some reason, if the settings are changed, if they just stop working for whatever reason, LSA is able to self-heal, pull that off, delete that, and replace it immediately so it's never exposed. So we have 3 models, 3 X1 Carbons that have LSA embedded to make it even easier for you to get this in front of your customers. LSA is also sold standalone. The last challenge I'll talk about is a big one. It's cash flow. It's another challenge that the pandemic has helped bring to the forefront. In a volatile economy, maximizing access to cash is essential. There's extreme pressure to minimize spending in an effort to maintain profit. Financial flexibility and agility are key in this. If you think of those companies that were not on a consumption model at the start of the pandemic, in order to react, if they needed to quickly buy assets as more employees went remote, they had to have a huge capital outlay to do that. If they had to make the difficult decision to reduce workforce because of economic conditions, they were stuck with those assets even though there's nobody using them. Those customers that were in a consumption model and an as-a-service model, they were able to ramp up quickly without that huge capital outlay. Their monthly payments went up, and when they're done, when they're ready to come back and reduce the assets that they have, they bring those assets back and their monthly payments are reduced. This is that flexibility and agility that's required now. To help our partners be successful in guiding customers through these challenges, Lenovo has developed work-from-home bundles to help provide the hardware, services, and software our customers need in a single solution through affordable monthly payments. This model, this device as a service model, requires no significant upfront costs. It is highly flexible. You can flex up, you can flex down. The renewal rate in a traditional buy is 23%. In an as a service model, it is 72%. This flexibility that's designed into this isn't just for our customers. It's also for you, our partners. You can leverage this work from home bundles that include our award-winning services and financing. Or you can sub in Ingram's financing, for example, or you can add your services into this offering. This is a fully customizable solution. Our focus is in putting together the best solution for our customers. In order for us to make this technology evolution a success, we need our partners. We understand that many of you have your own services, but are also interested in leveraging our offerings to complement your portfolio. Together, by listening and understanding our customers, we can together provide impactful solutions and become leaders and enablers of the intelligent transformation. With more choices than ever in the commoditized hardware market, the competition for new and returning customers is fierce. When services are attached, it's proven to greatly improve the customer experience and fosters better relationships with your customers. We want to continue working with you hand in hand to grow those relationships. I'm sure many of you have many additional examples of challenges your customers are facing. The current environment is driving significant change, but there's technology available to enable us to overcome these challenges. Technology will continue to evolve and transform as we move forward. For example, 5G technology will enable us to connect to 100 times more devices and 5 times more responsive. This will make breakthroughs like remote patient monitoring and remote surgeries possible. This gives us many opportunities to develop new services and solutions. Like I mentioned earlier, the pandemic is forcing us to transform in nearly every vertical. It's important to remember that some of the best innovations were preceded by crisis. We can help our customers thrive in this new environment, but the only way to do this is by partnering together. As I wrap up, we at Lenovo recognize a big reason for our success is Ingram and our partner community. I'm personally excited about the ways we continue to partner together. Today, Lenovo is the first PC vendor to join RenewView, Ingram's very own renewal portal, further cementing our partnership and commitment to our channel partners. RenewView allows partners to self-manage their expiring warranties for renewals and refresh opportunities for all events created within the last 3 years. In addition, Ingram is the only disti to offer up to 4% back on all services revenue. This is on top of the lucrative services, incentives, and programs Lenovo already has in place for the partner community. These are challenging yet exciting times. We look forward to working alongside you to build solutions our customers are counting on us to provide, and together growing our partnership and driving success this year. Thank you again, and please reach out to your Ingram Lenovo team for assistance attaching services and software to all your opportunities. Also, we will be raffling off Think Smart Views, so make sure to participate in the poll questions. Thank you.